Alright, number 2 of the Algebra TCAP review test is what is the solution to the system of equations below. Neither one of them are given to you in slope-intercept form. So with this, actually in your given choices, there's a pretty cheap way out. It's pretty just a quick way, test-taking strategy. All I have to do is take the x and y of the coordinate pair, substitute them in. For example, I can say 2 times, then negative 2 is my x, plus, and it's 11, for my y equals 7. Well, when I do that, 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4, plus 11 equals 7. Well, negative 4 plus 11 is 7, so 7 does equal 7. So the first one works. Now I need to test the same coordinate pair in the bottom. I have 3 times negative 2 plus 2, and then 11 for my y equals 16. 3 times negative 2, negative 6, plus 2 times 11 is 22, equals 16. And when you add negative 6, you take negative 6 and you add 22, you'll get 16 equals 16. So for number 2, A will definitely work. Now, again, I want to make sure you understand how to put it in slope-intercept form and graph it. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to show you how to do just that. And then we'll finish up with actually graphing it on the calculator for you to see the solution. So here I have 2x plus y equals 7. To put this in slope-intercept form, first thing I have to do is I've got to move the x over. Remember, I want to get it y equals mx plus b. So subtract 2x from both sides. That leaves me with y equals negative 2x plus 7. That one, not much work to get that one in slope-intercept form. The other one is going to be a little bit more work because you have 3x plus 2y equals 16. Well, in this case, I want to move my x over, subtract 3x from both sides, the inverse of the positive 3. It leaves me 2y equals, then you have negative 3x plus 16. Again, and now to get that final, to get y by itself, again, I want to divide everything by 2. In this case, it's going to give me y equals, well, you have a negative and a positive. So negative 3 halves x, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So now I have y equals negative 3 halves x plus 8. Bring up my calculator. And notice I've cleared my memory. The first one I'm going to put in is negative 2x plus 7. Come down to my second equation, and again, here's where you got to be careful. Make sure you put every fraction in parentheses. And then plus 8. And then I just graph that. And then when I hit second trace, again, I want to find the intersection, so that would be 5. Not the first curve, not second curve, not the guess. But then when you come up with, you're going to come up with negative 2, 11. Again, and so this matches A. So my solution to number 2 is going to be A. And that's number 2 of the Algebra TCAP review test.